Before unloading reagents, make sure the reagents are not currently in use. Reagent racks currently in use will be indicated by a red LED on the reagent bay door and on the corresponding lane. Optionally, double-check the reagent management screen where reagents in use will be marked in yellow with a red border. Removing reagents prematurely will cancel the associated samples currently in assay processing. We will now remove the reagent rack not in use loaded in lane 2. Slide the reagent rack out of the reagent bay. Multiple racks can be unloaded simultaneously. You can then close the door. Removing a reagent set will cancel any valid calibration for this set, meaning that another calibration will be required the next time that the same set is loaded into the instrument. Upon unloading a reagent rack, the TCR carousel will stop and the TCR door will unlock. Open the TCR door and remove the TCR bottle corresponding to the lane number of the set you have just unloaded. Remove the TER bottle if applicable and close the door when finished. Place new caps on all your reagents and close the caps firmly. Organize your matched sets and store the reagents according to their temperature storage. Refer to the package insert of your assay for more information. Do not forget to change your gloves after handling reagents.